mag-emerge dito sa tournament, may chances ba na maging varsity players din ng Mapua?
Yeah, meron ang Mapua, meron silang parang pre-tournament na pinipili bago ang season ng NCAA. By the way, I would mention na mga international master din si Micayapas, si Marlon Micayapas. Hindi ko alam kung tandaan niya si Marlon. Naging international master yun. Pero sa Mapua, nagturo din siya. Naglaro din siya sa Mapua. Si Micayapas.
May title ba kayo, sir?
Ang title ko, wala. Expert lang. Naku, kasi ang daming distraction. Nung mag-graduate ako ng civil engineering, 3 ang plano ko. Sabi ko, mag-professional chess player kaya ako. Kaya lang, during that time, walang pera ang chess eh. Kaya maraming pera na eh. And mag-engineer. Kaya lang, ang problema ko pala, isa pala maging military officer kasi reserve officer ako ng ROTC. Pwede na akong magpapasok sana sa army. It's partial pa during that time. Kaya lang, ang military 24/7. Sabi ko, walang pera. So, nagpunta na lang ako sa engineering. Ang problema ko, nang nasa engineering na ako, engineer ako, nasusunog ako, build engineer eh. Sabi ko, masusunog ako lalo. Kaya ngayon, realtor ako. Just for your information, I'm a realtor since 1985 and also a licensed real estate consultant. If you have any question, problems about real estate, free of charge, just you can contact me. Yeah, any problem or question.
Hindi naman kayo contractor.
Dati, yung mga contractor talbol, puro Mapua. Nakakayan sabihin, pero yung mga nandun, puro Mapuan sa ano sir. Nakakayan sabihin.
Okay, GM, kwentuhan niyo naman kami during your time sa Mapua, ano po bang course na kinuha niyo dyan, and how is it yung as a student athlete during your time?
Kasi during that time, gusto ko sana engineering din. Kaya doon ako sa Mapua. Pero na-discover ko, napakahirap i-combine ang chess at engineering. Kasi ano na ako nun eh, nasa national level na ako eh. Trying to be part of the national team na ako nun eh. So nasa championship na ako. Very difficult. That's why yung kinuha ko eventually, business administration, major in banking and finance. Actually, nung mag-decide ako mag-campaign sa Europe for the Grandmaster title, 3rd year college pa lang ako noon eh, sa Mapua. And nung naging Grandmaster ako, hindi ko na natapos kasi tuloy-tuloy na yung tournament ko sa Europe and all that. And then yung mga kalaban ko naman, sila Karpov, sila Liboyevich, puro rin nakapokus na lang sa chess eh. So, puro mga professionals na. Buti na lang, nitong few years ago, binigyan ako ng doctorate. So, yun, na-appreciate ko naman yung binigay na recognition sa akin ng Mapua. Thank you very much.
Okay, good afternoon. I'm Gab Ferreras, People's Journal Tonight and Sports Corner PH. Dito sa dalawa natin, kasama natin. Do you see itong chess tournament na ito as a stepping stone para sa ating mga young players na rin to attract more opportunities na to play sa mga iba't ibang mga local competitions or elsewhere sa Mapua na lang mismo chess team natin as part of their program?
Pag may tournament, malaking opportunity yan sa chess player na mag-improve lalo. Yung mga current Mapua varsity players, nagcha-champion na siya sa iba-ibang events. So talagang malaking bagay na makasali at magkaroon ng mga tournament na tulad.
Okay, sir?
Yes, of course, it will help and make focus on the sports of the Mapua University. Kasi last year, season 100 ng basketball, kami ang nag-champion. And this year, season 101 ng NCAA, kami rin ang nag-champion sa volleyball team. No? So, aside from that, we want to focus also on chess, wherein we are proud that the first Asian Grandmaster, Dr. Eugene Torre, is from our alma maters. And we want to make our student aware and boost their concentration to be, not only to be a collegiate chess player, but there is future to be a grandmaster or even international grandmaster.
Okay, last question sa ating idol, GM Eugene Torre. The last time I saw you was in the WR Bughouse Championship, and we could see nga pala na of course, ang dami pala mga chess players are already attracted dito sa kakaibang format ng Bughouse. Do you see itong Bughouse na ito is a future future para sa ating Philippine chess community, lalo na of course meron tayong mga international players na naglalaro nga doon sa last competition natin. Thank you po.
Masasabi ko lang dyan, mukhang very bright ang future ng Bughouse. Kasi yung supporter, bilyonaryo eh. But anyway, the more chess variations, the better. Kasi unang-una, kukunti lang yung sports natin for yung mental sports natin eh. Kukunti lang. So the more, the better. Hindi katulad sa physical sports, napakaraming events, no? Ang dami-dami sa physical sports. On the other hand, sa mental sports, very limited. So the more, the better, and very much welcome. Lalo-lalo na pagka yung supporter ay bilyonaryo.
Tama. And of course, the POC is also supporting nga kasi nakapag-partner sila with the Mind Sports Organization of Asia.
Yeah.
Thank you very much po for gracing our Philippine